In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission like this, okay? I was promoting this affiliate link on Pinterest and I made really a lot of money just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you one of my Fiverr affiliate services that I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission like this. As you can see over here, I made $245, and as you can see over here it's paid, okay? Why it's showing $0 over here in my balance? Because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, okay? And it's paid, as you can see. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you step by step for beginners how you can start, and for people who already have a Fiverr affiliate account, which services you should promote on Pinterest to get commission. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to make money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you just need to go to Google first, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this, and you need to go to community, okay, and click over here on affiliates, okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, it's easy and simple, okay? So what you will do is you can scroll down, okay? If you scroll down and you can click over here on see commission, they are really paying a lot of money in the commission, as you can see over here, okay? In Fiverr CPA, it's up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150, as you can see, okay? So what you need to do to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now, okay? You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do, as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer few questions. Choose your country over here, okay? Then choose your language and put your Skype here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple, okay? So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page like this, okay? And now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest, okay? Click on the search over here and search for Etsy traffic. Search for Etsy traffic. So why I choose this service? Because there are a lot of people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy products. So if they saw this Etsy traffic service on Pinterest, they will be interested to use this service to promote their products, okay? So that's why I choose this service, okay? So I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find this seller is good seller, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So for me, for example, I'm gonna choose, let's choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews and he is selling this service just for $10, okay? I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, okay, as you can see over here. So what you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, then click on default and dip links, okay, like this. Then click over here, okay, and put this seller profile link here, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do now, next step, is we need to promote this Fiverr affiliate service on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. It's for free, of course, and you can sign up just by using your email address. And make sure to choose business account, not personal account. You need to open Pinterest business account. So after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on home feed, like this, and click on create pin, okay, like this. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Okay, scroll down, click, you can see over here about this gig, click on his picture because I need this picture. Double click on the picture, save image. Okay, click on save image. I'm gonna name it, for example, traffic. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, this is my picture about Etsy traffic, and here you go. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to scroll down. You need to put title here, description, and your affiliate link. So I will put my affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. Title, go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy. You need to copy his title like this and go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to this seller page, scroll down, you can see over here, this is his description. Okay, so I'm gonna use his description. Let me see. Okay, let's scroll down. This is his description. Okay, scroll down, go to about this gig. This is his description. This is, so I'm gonna copy this description like this, go to Pinterest, put this description here like this, scroll down, and you need to create a board. Okay, click over here and click on create a board, give it a name, and that's it. It's easy and simple. You just need to give it a name. So I already created those. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down and you need to put your tag here. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller page and you need to scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down like this, go. Okay, this related tag, this is his tags. Okay, copy those tags like this, copy, go to Pinterest, put those tags here, and that's it. So after you finish, put all those tags. Okay, so just go, I'm just showing you the method. Okay, so after you finish, as you can see, this is my picture, title, description, my affiliate link. Click on publish and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, so as you can see, you just need to wait a few seconds, and here you go. Your Pinterest, your Fiverr affiliate link will be published to Pinterest like this. This is my affiliate link over here, picture, title, description, and that's it. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. I hope this video is clear and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, share this video with your friend, and let me know. And of course, you should start promoting a lot of services if you want to get commission, so your chance to get commission will be high. You cannot promote just one or two services. You need to promote, you need to keep uploading more services to your Pinterest account every day, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so see you in my next video.